Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Today in this video, I am going to discuss with you unit number 2 operating costing. And in this video, I am going to discuss about two core aspects of operating costing, meaning of operating costing and classification of cost. So this unit is in costing methods and techniques paper 2 subject. This is for BCom 6th semester. At the end of the session, students are able to know what is the meaning of operating costing, where this operating costing is used, and classification of costs. So, before going to discuss what is meaning of operating costing, let me tell you there are two types of industries: manufacturing industries and service industries. In case of manufacturing industries, they are converting raw materials into finished goods. But this is not in case of service industries. They are not going to manufacture any goods, but they are providing or rendering services to their clients or customers. So whether it may be manufacturing industry or service industry, costs are ascertained to fix the selling price. So the ascertainment of cost is a little bit easy in case of manufacturing industry, but in case of service industry, it is not that easy, ascertainment of cost. So that's why to ascertain the cost of services rendered, a method of costing is developed which is called as operating costing. So let me clear one thing: operating costing is used in service industries, and this is used to ascertain the cost of services rendered. Now you may ask the question where this operating costing is used. So say for example, operating costing is used in road transport companies, railways, airways, shipping companies, hospitals, cinemas or theaters, hotels, electricity supply companies, municipal services, and in educational institutions, etc. Now, the second concept of discussion is classification of costs. In order to calculate cost of services, costs are classified in three broad categories. In case of operating costing, so while we are preparing operating cost sheet, so here the costs are classified in three heads: fixed or standing charges, maintenance charges, variable or running charges. So first one is fixed or standing charges. As the very name itself indicates, fixed or standing charges are fixed in nature. They are not going to vary with the output. They remain constant, irrespective whether the vehicles run or not, but still these expenses or costs or charges are fixed. Now example for this fixed or standing charges: load license fees, depreciation if it is based on time, insurance premium, supervision, road tax, salary of drivers and supervisors if they are monthly basis, etc. These all expenses are fixed or standing charges. Maintenance charges, or these are also called as semi-variable charges. So these expenses are incurred on repairs and maintenance of vehicles. Some expenditures are incurred on repairs and maintenance of vehicles. So these are semi-variable. Example: expenditures for repairs, painting, wear and tear of tires and tubes, electricity expenses, etc. Running charges. Running charges are also called as variable charges. So these expenses are incurred on actual running of vehicles, or we can say these expenses vary with output. When vehicles runs more number of kilometers, expenditures are incurred, and when it runs for less number of kilometers, then it is low. So example for that is petrol charges, diesel charges, fuel, lubricants, grease, etc. So this is what about meaning of operating costing and classification of costs. Thank you.